Hello guys, this is Ivan speaking, and after a while we are again with Xturbo Scalper, expert advisor. And the reason that I am again today, because as I mentioned, finally we have the last version, final version, and you will see I added some extra functions, extra possibilities in settings, in properties, in code. So now this is really final version, which is made to be much more safe, and it is made to profit on a long-term basis. So here you will not ask me what I will earn next week or in a few weeks. This is a long-term strategy which you will let go at least few months to make decent, not decent, a very big profit, as you will see now. I will explain everything. So this is the final version. For now, maybe in future we'll make new updates, but this is version v3.4. 3.4. So all of you which has bought previous versions will get it for free. Just let me know. Send me your MT4 account for licenses, and you will be receiving it during this week. So we have one live trade here, as you can see, and I will test it on M5 Euro US dollar, because M5 is the best time frame. You can use all, but I recommend M5 on Euro USD or GPUSD or USD JPY, but Euro USD is has showed the best results in testing and in live trading. So let's go to test it. Let's go to test it. From the beginning of year until today, you will see the new features here, new settings. So we are testing it on 1000 account. This is the best if you can start with 1000, but also minimum which you can start is $200. This is the settings you will be getting. So you will see that there are some changes. This is all the same with old version. Take profit 100, stop loss 50, so ratio 1 to 2. Trading stop 0. Lot size automatically I put to 4%, so 4% of $1,000 is not much, it is 0.4. And risk 4%, as I said, but now I add some new function, which is hedge trades. I put it until 7, but it will not be needed. Maximum 4 is in testing, but I put 7, and this is the two numbers, multiplier, first step, rest step. You will let it as it is, and all these functions are from the previous version. So I add this hedge system, clever hedge system, which will enable you to win all trades at the end. So if you lose the one trade, the second will open automatically and recover the loss, and so on. And plus money management here, risk percent, we put money management to true, and you will see now from the 1st of January, so whole year. This is 6 months of trading. Let's start to see what we'll be getting. By the way, this trade live is in the money here. Why the stop loss is 50 and take profit 100? Because of hedge systems, we will not use small take profits 10, 15, 20, because in some big trends or big news, it can go up very strongly or down, and it can eat your account. So we increased the take profit 100. So it cannot happen. It can happen to go 100 pips in -1 or 2 or 3 times, but not 4, 5, 6 times. So this is the reason why the take profit is 100 and stop loss 50. Ratio to 1. In that case, you will not be getting dozens of trades. It will be maybe few trades. You will see how many trades we'll get in 6 months. Maybe 40. So as you can see, we made $50,000 with 45-6 trades. So this is about in 6 months 50. Let's see the report firstly. 46 trades in 6 months. This is about 4 to 5 trades per month, but which will make you a safe and steady profit. You see that we started with 1,000, we made net profit $47,000. Maximal drawdown is 25%, and this is normal because of hedges. So not many trades, but very profitable. So let's start for the beginning. So we started with lot size 0.08. So you see, first is in the money, and the second one we lost, but immediately it recovered. And altogether with these two trades, you must look at these two trades as a one, as a whole, because they are hedging. So we are in plus, in profit $220. Then again, it's a good example. The first trade was lost, and first hedge, second hedge, and the third hedge trade recover all these. So $1,200, and we lost 460, 500. So we are in the profit plus $700, and so on, so on. You see. You see these trades, and this it goes until the end of the last trade. Now is been lost here, but it is not finished, because the hedge will go on and it will recover this. But okay, we'll if we have a few more days, it will go in the money, because the next one or the next one will be in profit. So this is the system which use hedge trades to recover your loss and protect you from losing any trade. So these trades, when you have 2 in 3, you must look as a whole, as a one trade. So here there are, let's say, one, two, three, and the fourth. This is the finish of the one, let's say one whole trade with 3 steps. But you do not have to think too much about it, because this is made to profit, to earn your money, but on long term basis. So you see, 6 months and we had only 46 trades, but with money management and hedge, in 6 months we made, you see, almost $50,000. So it means that you will make about $8,000 per month, $8,000 per month, investing only 1,000. So as longer you will keep it trading, the money management compound system will increase the profits. So my advice is, if you start to trade with this, don't think what you will make in 1 or 2 or 3 weeks. Keep it for 3-4 months minimum to make some money. Then maybe you withdraw some of your profit and continue. As longer you will keep it, you will earn much. So this is maybe not a millions as the first version was promising, with high risk. Here we do not have high risk. We have the smallest risk can possible with new functions, and still with very great profit. In 6 months to make $48,000 is not bad. So this is Xturbo Scalper. This is the latest and final version for now, maybe in future, but not in close future, because this is the 3rd version already. In far future, maybe we'll make some other versions, but for now, at least next few months, it will be the final version, because it really works. It finally works as you and me expect it, and with very small risk. This is 5% drawdown is normal, because we use hedging, 2 or 3 steps. I never had more than 4 steps, never. So this is normal here. So what to say, this system is really now available to all of you. You can use it on all time frames, but my suggestion is use M5, because it works the best. If you want maybe more trades, you can use M1, and maybe if you want less trades, M15. 3 pairs are recommended. Number 1 is Euro USD, the second one is GBP USD, and the third one USD JPY. When you trade, if you use 3 pairs like here, you must have enough money to cover if you have 3 trades at the same time. So my advice, when you start with smaller amount, start with only 1 pair. Maybe later you add, when you have some money earned, another pair. But you have seen here what you can make only with 1 pair on 5-minute time frame. So you really do not need to risk 2 or 3 pairs, and maybe your amount, your balance will not be enough to cover the margin depending what is your broker and how much you will have to have on your balance to take these trades. So it depends also about the leverage. If you are having a broker which allow you leverage 1 to, let's say, 400, 500, then maybe you can use free pairs. But if you have some European regulated broker which allow maybe 120 only leverage, then use only one pair. But anyway, when you get it, please test it first of all, at least a few weeks to see how it works, how to use it, and then go to the live account. So this is the final, last updated version of Xturbo Scalper. All previous customers, just let me know, you will get for free. And for new one which want to buy it, you can visit my webpage. The link is below. Until the 10th of July, so only 3 days more, you can get it at a promotional price. Next 3 days only. Then again, it would be a regular price, which is pretty high. It is pretty high because it makes pretty high amount of profit. So it's kind of investment to make a long-term money, as we make here, make $8,000 per month or $50,000 in 6 months. It's not bad. Exactly, it's fantastic. Where you can earn such amount of money. Of course, I will have some questions. So here, if you if you want to earn much more money, then here instead of 1,000, if you can put 5,000, then here your profit will not be only 47, it will be maybe 100 or $200,000. It all depends how much you will invest. So guys, you have seen the last version, you have seen my settings. When you buy it, you will get my settings for M1, M5 and M15. So guys, I wish you a very nice day. See you next time. Bye bye.